So in this question, we asked to find the value of root m and root n, which makes the right part of the expression be equal to the square root of the expression 16 plus 2 root 55. And I'm told that the values you have to get, the m should be greater than n. That is, one term should be greater than the other term. So let's get going. So we have root 16 plus 2 root 55 is approximately equal to root m plus root n. So the best we can do is to square both sides so that we can get rid of the radicals involved. So in our attempt to square the left hand side, we have 16 plus 2 root 55. We square all of this, and this should be approximately equal to the root of m plus the root of n, all squared. Note that when this is done, this will nullify this, means that we are left with 16 plus 2 root 55. That is equal to, at this end, we have m plus n plus 2 root m n. Right. At this level, what we can do is to do comparison. So we compare the left hand side of the expression as against the right hand side. Now, when that comparison is made, you realize that we have m plus n being equal to 16. We labeled this one as equation 1. Then what is left is 2 root 55 being equal to 2 root m n. Take note that we have 2 here and 2 here. This implies that our expression that we have 55 root 55 is equal to root m n. And root is here, so we can decide to square both sides. However, even leaving it in the same manner, we can still express it as 55 being equal to mn. So this should be our equation 2. Remember that our first equation, we had m plus n being equal to 16. Then we have m n being equal to 55. So we need to find two numbers which will add to give us 16 and then multiply to give us 55. So from the above, you can decide to make m the subject in one of the equations or any of the variables of subject in any of the equations. So in making m the subject, we have the first equation, we have m being equal to 16 minus n. So let's label this to be our equation 3. In that case, what we do is that we input equation 3 into equation 2. So to input equation 3 into equation 2, inputting the third equation to the second one, which we have 16 minus n, that's multiplying n to be equal to 55. So we come down, we have 16n minus n squared being equal to 55. Now we want to avoid a negative n squared. Let's feel right. void negative. So because of that, we bring all these things to the right hand side. In that case, we will be left with n squared minus 16n being plus 55. That is equal to 0. So when we simplify this, we get n minus 11 and n minus 5 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 6, or sorry, so these are the factors that we are looking for. You can decide to verify and see if it is true. Right. So based on the question, we were told that so if this is the square root, it means that we have root 11 plus 5. When we have squared them, we should get what we were given. So when we square, we have root 11 squared give us 11, plus root 5 squared to give us 5, plus 2 times the product of 5 and 11. So we have 16 plus 2 root 55. So this gives us the question that we're given. So truly, this is the root of